Adding images to your document can make it more visually appealing. Google Docs uses Google Search to find and provide images for you to choose from, so it's likely you'll find one that matches your needs. If you have a picture of your own that you want to use, you can upload that image. Under Insert, we see the image, and these should look familiar because this is what Google offers. I'm going to insert an image. I'm going to search the web and say Walt Disney. Here we have the man. So I'll select a picture and I can insert it. And there we go. The picture has been placed in our Google Doc, specifically within this table. If we're happy with it, we're good. Otherwise, you can always click and drag it to move it elsewhere. Now we have it at the end of the paragraph. When you have this picture being so much taller than the text, well, right now it's considered in line with text. Google Doc is just seeing that it takes up this amount of space, but that it's treated as if it were just another letter that was typed. We have these other options. You can wrap the text, and so you can see the picture is now going to make the text move around it. So if I click and drag, we see that the text is split to flow around the picture. You can adjust the margin, or you could change the position options. And then the third option is break text, which will just make there be no text to the left or right of the picture. I'm going to move this. I'm going to have the picture wrap, and I'm just going to stick it over at the very beginning of this. So the inline option aligns the image with the text. The image will move with the text if additional text is added or deleted. However, this option gives you less freedom to move the image where you want. The wrap text option causes the text to wrap around the image. You can use this option if you want to move the image to another location in the document. And then there's the break text option, which is like text wrapping, but the image will act as a break, meaning text will only appear above and below the image, not to the left or right. With the image selected, you see the shortcut toolbar change, and so now you could replace the image, you could get into image options, you can crop the image, you could have there be a border, how big and what type, and the color are all options as well. Can make it 3-point, and maybe I make it dashed. Of course, on the corners, I can click and drag to respect the ratio, and I could make this a bigger picture.